What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back with another video. This time the focus is really on the shoe, more importantly how I lace or knot my sneakers that you see so often on the channel. So instead of wearing my sneaker laces in the traditional bow tie, instead I like to knot them. So let's go through a quick but also detailed tutorial of how I knot my laces. Number one, please be sure to loosen up your laces when you take your sneakers straight out of the box from the store, the factory, whatever it may be. I like to leave the very top eyelet open just for a little bit more room and mobility in the shoe itself when on foot. Typically, this knot is only looped around once with regular laces, but since these are rather thin for the Air Max 1 Big Bubble, I actually wrap them around twice, so here we go. Once you extend your laces, wrap them around 2 to 4 fingers on your left hand. Bring the end of the laces down and around. You're going to wrap them around this brand new loop you just made here, as you can see on the screen. Now I'm wrapping them around again because these are thinner laces. With regular thicker laces, you only need to do this once. Now at the bottom left, you need to insert the end of the laces into the brand new hole made again near the bottom left, as you can see there. So you feed the laces through and then you pull and you adjust as you would like to get the desired loop knot itself. Now, why this choice of a knot or loop for my laces? One, it keeps my laces from actually touching the ground, so they stay intact and clean. This allows also for easy entry into slipping the shoe on my foot, and over time it'll actually loosen up to just this perfect slip-on fit that is really contoured to my own foot. So I do this with almost every sneaker unboxed on the channel that I get in. It's really just become a signature of mine, and I've seen a few comments request how I knot my laces. So let's go through this one more time on the other sneaker and then we're out of here. Exact same thing as before. Loosen the laces from their factory lace from when you receive the sneaker itself. For me, this was secured on Sneakers app, but doesn't matter what retailer or location, they usually come laced way too tight. If you've ever purchased a Jordan 6, you understand this problem. Way too tight of a factory lacing. So go ahead, do yourself a favor, loosen the laces, and then also make sure they are even at the top before you start this. You may need to adjust a little bit more just to make sure that the lace ends match up perfectly, kind of like Jordan did every game. Okay, one more time. Take your laces, wrap them around 2 to 3 fingers on your left hand, wrap that loop around itself. I'm going to do this twice. So you're wrapping the laces around this big loop that's made. On the bottom left, you have a smaller hole created. Slide the end of the laces through this hole. This allows for the actual knot itself to be closed off and completed. So you feed the end of the laces through this bottom left knot, and then you actually pull on the end of the laces to adjust the knot itself. So you can actually tighten the laces from here, or you can loosen them if you would like them to fall a little farther down the front of the shoe. It's really your choice at this point. I really hope this video helps for anyone in the past who commented, hey, we would love to see a video, a close-up of how you knot your sneaker laces for any and all pairs you show on the channel. So I did my best here to make it easy to follow. Feel free to rewind, slow the video down, leave a like if you found this helpful. Thank you for tuning in. And as always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.